Hello children, today we are going to solve some of the worksheet of application book B for the fifth chapter of maths. For this you need your pencil, eraser and the notebook that you have made for math. So hurry up children, bring your notebook, pencil, eraser so that we can start solving the worksheet of application book B. I hope you all are ready with your things. So let's start solving chapter number 5, application book B. Okay, now this is worksheet 5.2a. Okay, so children, in this there is one figure. And what you are going to do, you are going to count the shapes that are given on the other side. So let's start solving this. The first shape is cube. Now children, say me how many cube you are able to see in the figure? Yes, correct. There are two cubes. Okay. Now let's see how many cuboids are there in that figure. Can you see both the hand of that figure? Yes, it is cuboid in shape plus the main body part. So how many cuboid you are able to see? Correct. There are three cuboids. Yes. Now let's count how many cylinders are there. Can you see both the legs of that figure, children? Yes. So there are two cylinders. And the last one is cone. Now children, say me how many cones you are able to see in that figure. Yes, three. Both the feet plus the cap. Yes, there are three cones. Very good. Now how are you going to write this in your notebook? On the other side, I am showing you how are you going to write it in the notebook. In the same way, children, you are going to write it in your notebook. First, write application book B in the same way how teacher has written in the book. Then you will write W.S, that means worksheet, and then write 5.2. Then write the page number, that is 22. Okay, then leave one line and write question A outside the margin in the same way how teacher has written. Then inside the margin write the first shape, and that is cube. Write the spelling of cube, C-U-B-E. And then put a dash and write the answer, and that is 2. Correct? There are two cube shapes in the figure. Yes, children, very good. I hope you all are doing this with teacher. Then come cuboid. How many cuboids we have counted earlier? There are three cuboids. So first write the spelling of cuboid, C-U-B-O-I-D. Then put a dash and write 3. I hope you all are done till here. Okay, then write how many cylinder? 2. So write the spelling of cylinder, that is C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. Then put a dash and write 2. In the same way how teacher has written in the notebook. Then the last shape is cone. Leave one line, write the spelling of cone, C-O-N-E. Put a dash and then write number 3. So I hope you have written in the same way how teacher has written in the notebook. Okay. Why teacher is asking you to write the page number? So that you can refer the answer. Okay, very good. Now let's see the question number B. Observe the following objects in your surroundings and identify the shape of their outlines. What does that mean? You are going to observe these objects that are given, and then you are going to identify the shapes of those objects. The first one is blackboard. Come on children, say me, what is the shape of blackboard? Yes, correct. It is rectangle. So you are going to write the spelling of rectangle. Okay, I will show you how are you going to write it in the notebook. First, let's discuss the answer. The second one is door. So again, what is the shape of door? Correct. It is rectangle. The third one is pencil box. And again, what is the shape of pencil box? Yes, pencil box is also rectangle in shape. Then comes cupboard. What is the shape of cupboard? Yes, it is also rectangle in shape. Fifth one is clock. And what is the shape of clock? It's circle. And the sixth one is tabletop, and again the shape of tabletop is rectangular in shape. Okay, now children, how are you going to write it in your notebook? See, teacher is sharing with you a page. Leave the one line and write outside the margin question number B, and then below start writing answer 1. Write rectangle, rectangle. The first one was blackboard and the answer is rectangle. You are going to write in the same way how teacher has written. Then come answer second. Write outside the margin ANS, then number 2. Then from inside the margin, start writing the answer, and that is rectangle. Door is rectangular in shape. So you are going to write the spelling of rectangle. RECTANGLE. Then the third answer. Again, same way you're going to write ANS number 3 outside the margin, and then from inside the margin write the answer, that is rectangle, RECTANGLE. I hope you all have completed till here. Let's see the answer 4. And that is cupboard. And what is the shape? Rectangle. So again you are going to write the answer rectangle. Write RECTANGLE. Then the answer number 5th, and that is clock. So you're going to write the answer circle, CIRCLE. You're going to write in the same way how teacher has written. Then come answer number 6, and that is tabletop. And again you are going to write the answer rectangle, RECTANGLE. I hope you all have completed till here. So let's see the next page. Now children, again over here you can see some object on the one side, whereas on the other side shapes are given. Now what are you going to do? You are going to match this object with the shapes. Okay, so the first one is ball, and what is the shape? Yes, spear. You are going to write the answer 1-E. Yes. Then come signal cone. And what is the shape? Yes, correct. It is cone in shape. So again, you are going to write the answer 2-C. The third one is bottle. And what is the shape of bottle? Yes, correct. It is cylinder in shape. So let's see how are you going to write the answer? 3-A. Fourth one is gift box. And what is the shape of gift box? Yes, correct. It is cube in shape. So 4-D. And the fifth one is almirah, and the shape of that almirah is cuboid. So the answer is 5-B. I hope you all have written till here. So now let's see how are you going to write it in the notebook. Okay. So you are going to write it in the same way, children, how teacher has written in the notebook. I'm showing you the notebook part. How are you going to write this in your notebook? You will write up W.S, that means worksheet number. Which worksheet is this? This is 5.3. Then write the page number, that is 24. Then leave one line and write question number B. Then below write the answer 1-E. The first one was E. The ball is pear in shape. The second one is, the answer is C. Yes, the signal cone is cone in shape. The third one, the answer is A. The bottle is cylinder in shape. The fourth one is, answer is D. Yes, gift box is cube in shape. And the fifth one, almirah, is cuboid in shape. So you're going to write it in the same way how teacher has written in the notebook. Yes, I hope you all have done till here. So now let's see the next page, and that is page worksheet 5.4, page number 25. Now you can see different shapes in this page, correct? There are different objects in different shape. Now, what are you going to write it in this? You have to identify the shape and write the answer whether it will roll or it will slide. As teacher have explained you about that curved surface object always roll, whereas flat surface object always slide. So the first one is that purple ball, and that ball has curved surface. So it will roll. So what is the answer of first? Roll. R-O-L-L, roll. The second one is egg. An egg also has curved surface. So again the egg also answer is roll. It will roll. R-O-L-L, roll. Now come on children, say me about dice. Dice has curved surface or flat surface? Yes, it has flat surface. So what is the answer? The answer is slide. S-L-I-D-E. Correct? Yes. The fourth one is notebook. And notebook has flat surface. Correct? So what will be the answer? Yes, the answer will be slide. Coming to the fifth one, and that is a box. And it also has a flat surface. So again the answer will be, yes, slide. S-L-I-D-E. And the sixth one is ball. Now come on children, say me what will be the answer? It has a flat surface or it has a curved surface? It has a curved surface. So what will be the answer? Yes, answer will be roll. R-O-L-L, roll. Now, how are you going to write this in your notebook? Can you all see how teacher has written in the notebook, children? In the same way, you are going to write this in your notebook. Come on, start writing. Write WS, that means worksheet. Which worksheet we have solved? 5.4. So write 5.4. Then write page number 25. Okay, then leave one line and write answer. The first answer is roll. So you are going to write outside the margin ANS number 1. Inside the margin write the answer roll ROLL. Then leave one line and write answer 2. ANS and number 2. Then inside the margin, you are going to write the answer roll, ROLL, roll. Again, children, leave one line and write answer 3. Then inside the margin, write the answer. The third one is dice, correct? So what is the answer? Slide, SLIDE, slide. Then fourth one. The fourth one is notebook and the answer is slide, correct? So you are going to write it in the same way. Write ANS number 4 outside the margin and inside the margin write the answer SLIDE. Again children, leave one line, write the answer 5 and that is box. And the answer is slide. Write the spelling of slide. SLIDE. Then the sixth one, that is ball. And the answer is roll. Again, you're going to write it in the same way how teacher has written. ANS number 6. And inside the margin, write the answer ROLL, roll. I hope you all have completed till here. Yes, thank you.